Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Adjust All app in your Canvas sites. This is a great app that's going to make changing the dates of any item in Canvas a lot easier. So if you go into one of your course sites, you will see on the left in the course navigation, Adjust All. So if you select that, it should open up. If it's your first time using it, you might have to click accept, but you'll see this is what it looks like, and it's showing me everything in my course. But you can also up at the top filter, so if you just want to work on your discussions or your quizzes, you can use the filter up at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it as it is for now. If it's in the gray area here, that means it's a module. I personally don't lock my modules, so I'm not going to. But if you have weekly modules that you want to open up week by week, you can click on the little calendar and set the date for the actual module. And then for the items within the modules, it shows here I have the assignment 1, my a couple discussions here. So for these to set the dates, you can put the available from date. So here's assignment 1. This class starts on Friday, so I'm going to make it available on Friday. And then the due date, you can fill out a due date, but if you know in Canvas, sometimes a due date means that you're still accepting late work. If you don't want to accept any late work, then all you need to do is fill in the until date. And that's what I'm going to do for this one. So for this one, the until date, I'm going to click on the calendar and I'm going to make it, let's see if it opens on the 2nd. I'm going to close it on the 9th. So they have 1 week to do this. And then you can simply go down and adjust all of the, I guess that's why they call it Adjust All. You can adjust all of your dates on one page. It's very convenient. The old method was so tedious where you actually had to go into each individual assignment or quiz or whatever, click on edit, then scroll down and fill in the dates. This lets you do it all on one page for your entire class, including your announcements. You can see at the bottom, here's an announcement. If I want to change the date for the announcement, I can set it to post whenever. So this class is starting, like I said, tomorrow, so I'll post the announcement tomorrow at midnight. And you can change that too. Maybe midnight's too late. I'm going to make it post tomorrow morning. So let's change it to, I'm going to do it in here. Click on the little time and we can make it 8 a.m. There we go. And once you're done that, you just click on save and that should be it. All right. Thank you for watching.